Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. So, yes, I am here back with today's video, and I'm sure you all are waiting for the job notifications. And today, in this video, I'm going to discuss about SJVN. SJVN Recruitment 2021. You can apply online for 64 field engineer vacancy for Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, which has recently announced a job notification to fill 64 field engineer posts. Now, applicants who are looking for a government job can use this SJVN Field Engineer Notification 2021. Now, talking about the post, there are 64 vacancies that are allocated for this field engineer post. Interested aspirants can apply through online mode. The SJVN Field Engineer Apply Online link is activated from 28th July 2021. Candidates who have an interest in SJVN Jobs 2021 can apply before 17th August 2021. SJVN invites applicants from eligible candidates across India. Further information such as eligibility, salary, age limit, instructions, and other details how to fill up everything regarding SJVN recruitment through GATE 2021 is provided in this video. Now, in this video, candidates will come to know about the rest details. The candidates should register themselves for the corresponding paper of GATE. Before applying to these openings, candidates must check their eligibility. That is, their educational qualification which is required, age limit, experience, and other details. Organization name is Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, which is short termed as SJVN. The name of the post is Field Engineer. Number of vacancies are 64. The starting date to apply is 28th July 2021. The last date to apply is 17th August 2021. Application mode is online application. Job category will be central government job. Job location will be across India. And the official website for this is sjvn.nic.in. Now coming to the educational qualification. Applicants should possess engineering in their respective discipline from a recognized university. Full-time BE or BTech in civil or mechanical or electrical and electronics or computer science or computer engineering or information technology is required, which has to be from a recognized university or institute in India. Now coming to the age limit. The age limit for SJVN Recruitment 2021. The minimum age limit should be 18 years and the maximum age limit should not cross 30 years. Now talking of the age relaxation. For SC or ST, it is 5 years. For OBC, that is non-creamy layer, it will be 3 years. For PWDs, it is 10 years. Now coming of the application fee. The general or OBC or EWS candidates will have to pay 600 rupees. The SC or ST or PWD candidates shall have to pay no fee. SJVN career details talking about the salary. Field engineer will get 60,000 rupees for salary monthly. Post-wise vacancies, let me talk about that. Civil has got 30 posts. Mechanical 20 posts. Electrical 10 posts. Information technology has got 4 posts open. SJVN Recruitment 2021 Field Engineer Selection Process. The selection process of this category will consist of marks obtained out of 100 in the corresponding paper of GATE 2021 or 2020 or 2019, score with which group applied, group discussion, and personal interview. Eligible candidates should have appeared for the corresponding paper, that is civil engineering or electrical engineering or mechanical engineering or information technology. For calculation of final score of a candidate, the weightage of marks obtained in GATE, as the year I mentioned, group discussion and interview shall be as indicated as I am giving in the video. GATE marks out of 100, 75%, group discussion 10%, personal interview 15%, which makes total 100. Now talking about the detailed eligibility, educational qualification, graduate apprentice, full-time degree in engineering or technology in relevant branch from institute or university recognized by AICTE, diploma apprentices, full-time diploma in engineering or technology in relevant branch from institute or university recognized by AICTE or Board of Technical Education of State. ITI apprentices, ITI passes from any recognized university or institute is mandatory. Talking of the age limit, for general 18 to 30 years, with age relaxation for SC or ST, that is for SC or ST it is 5 years. For OBC, as I told you, for non-creamy layers it will be 3 years. For PWDs it will be 10 years. Now the post-wise vacancies which I already mentioned, for civil 2 graduate apprentices, electrical 2 posts, mechanical 2 posts, technical technician diploma apprentices, civil has got 12 posts, electrical has got 3 posts, mechanical has open for 3 posts, information technology has got 2 posts, and technician ITI apprentices, talking about that, electrician has got 6 posts. Office secretaryship or stenography or office assistant or office management has opened for 3 posts. Fabricator or filter or fitter welder has got 4 posts opened. Mechanic, that is in electronics or general or mechanical, has got 3 posts. Information communications technology or IT or computer assembly and maintenance has got 4 posts. Talking about the salary, graduate apprentices will get rupees 10,000 per month. Diploma apprentices will get rupees 8,000 per month. ITI apprentices will get rupees 7,000 per month. Now this is all about the salary and all these things. So if you think you are interested in this job, you can apply. Here I will also say you how to apply for SJVN. How to apply for SJVN Recruitment 2021? Firstly, you have to click on the apply online link that is given in the website. If you are a new user, register yourself for SJVN jobs. Enter your email ID, name and security code that will appear on the image or captcha. Log in to the SJVN Recruitment application page using your email ID. Fill in the required details that is asked in the application. Upload a scanned copy of the photo or your photograph and signature. Pay the application fee through the online mode if applicable. After completely filled the application, recheck the details that you have entered. Finally, submit the application form and take a printout for future reference. About Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, that is SJVN Limited, a mini Ratna Category 1 and Schedule A CPSE under authoritative control of Ministry of Power, that is for Government of India, was fused on 24th May 1988 as a joint endeavour of the Government of India, which is GOI, and the Government of Himachal Pradesh, that is GOHP. SJVN is presently a recorded company having investors an example of 61.93% with Government of India, 26.85% with Government of Himachal Pradesh. The present paid up capital and approved capital of SJVN is rupees 3929.80 crore. starting with a solitary project and single state activity. For example, India's biggest 1640 MW Nathpa Jhankri hydro power station in Himachal Pradesh. The company has appointed 5 undertakings totaling 2015.2 MW of introduced limit, including wind and sun powered power. SJVN is actualizing power extents in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Maharashtra, and Gujarat in India, other than the neighboring nations, which include Nepal and Bhutan. Its missions are to drive financial development and streamline investors and partners' enthusiasm by creating and working on undertakings in a practical and socio-economic condition through a neighborly way. So you can understand the motive of this also, that is for the SJVN. It's a very honest and honorable job, definitely, if you join this. So job notifications are out. If you want, definitely fill out the form and stay ready so that you can have your dream career and do really good work in this SJVN. So all the best for your career ahead. I hope you will be eligible for this. And if you are thinking that why waste time, definitely don't waste time. Apply for this job and go for your dream career. Ending my video here. I hope you have liked it. Thank you so much for patiently hearing me out. Thank you.